Well, hello there. I was just brushing up on equilibrium. That's a lie. I was not doing anything. But I will run over the basics of equilibrium with you, giving you an example, telling you why it's important, and overall teaching you about it. So let's begin. Now, to begin with, equilibrium can mean a lot of different things in different contexts, but today we are going to talk about chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium is what is defined as a chemical process that can move in forwards and reverse, creating more reactants and products as it goes. It's slightly different than what we currently know, an equation, chemical reaction moving in one direction, such as oxidation of iron, rusting. Now, what I have written down here is the synthesization and therefore decomposition of ammonia. So let's take a look into that. So to take a closer look at this equation right here, let's say we start off with 1 molar concentration of ammonia, and we're trying to find how much hydrogen and nitrogen gas form from that. To do that, we can use an ICE table. So, just a brief overview of ICE tables. ICE stands for Initial Change in Equilibrium, which in relation to the concentrations. And I've taken the liberty of filling this one out here. In the top right, we have our initial concentration of ammonia. It's going to change by a minus X amount, and the other two, hydrogen gas and nitrogen gas, are going to add X amount. So at equilibrium, 1.0 minus X, and X will be the ending. Now, taking the equations from the Rice table, we can now plug them into the equation for Kc. Now, Kc is the equilibrium constant, and that is assigned a number value usually, and here it is 1.40 times 10 to the 5th. So, we then take our equations that we got from our Rice table, plug them into the formula to get Kc, and solve, and we get that X is equal to 0.05037. Now, in knowing that, we can then find the values for the concentrations of the other elements and gases at equilibrium. So, I hope this was helpful for all of you. I hope that you learned something. Feel free to comment down below and give the video some feedback, and also like if that's your sort of thing. Again, thank you, and have a nice day.